Hey guys, it's our I'm back with another video review. And today I'm doing a double review on my Doctor Who custom 10th Doctor Sonic and 11th Doctor Sonic. So let's start with my 10th. As you can see, it's what you get from a regular Sonic screwdriver. Notice my lever is like a tan color. It had a removable pen gimmick, but I removed it because I didn't like it. Let's see all the nice silver on here. There. See the blue. Why am I going that way? See the blue dome emitter. And then there's two buttons on the side. This button works when it's closed. This one works when it's open. This lighter. Put it up. You can see it has the screen accurate yellow wire. I don't know if you can tell, but you can see all that cracked porcelain effect. Yes, you can see inside the screwdriver, but just for comparison. Yep. Yeah, this runs weak on this thing. Here it is with the 11th Sonic. Yeah, it's about a minute or short, but oh well. Yeah, like I said, the buttons work. Press the bottom button, I get on the top. You press the top button. Let's do it more sounds. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I like the original sound chip in some ways. But yeah, that's the 10th. Here's the 11th. It's the one that nobody liked with the red button. But you can see all the bronze paint that's been put into this. It's that white handle, black. Yeah, the spring weeks, I said silver and the little green emitter. Stupid thing. 3. See, there's stitching here because this is supposed to be like rubber or something. See, there's one button, but there's not one but 2 buttons. So the top button is supposed to make this extend when, like, the doctor does that. Let's check his stats. The bottom button activates the electronics like this. Okay, I guess you want me to use the bottom button. The red button just activates for when it's extended, but you can't press it like the 12th. But anyway, so 1, 2, 3, nope, and 4. Now I'm going to do something that caused a lot of trauma to someone in the Daughter Returns episode. Yeah, loud eruption. But yeah. Overall, these are really good screwdrivers. Not this one by much. I still prefer the 12th screwdriver. Oh, yeah. Next is the battery compartment. There's a screw here, screw here. And you take watch batteries. Yeah. Same with here, except you unscrew this and then pull it out. But yeah. Overall, I recommend these. If you're a Doctor Who person, you're a Whovian, you're a cosplayer, any one of these to be the 10th, the 9th, the 11th, the 12th. Yep, just gonna put it in. But yeah. I just released a video last night of my Age of Extinction lockdown. So check that out. But this is SR Prime. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.